Okay, this is what I want to begin with. Um, I want to talk about area space. Area space is right here. It's between the halfway point between both sides, getting this vibration. Okay, the halfway. So when we start anything, I have to start like this. Okay, so I go like this, 1, then I go like this, 2, then I go like this, 3, then I go like this, 4. There's actually 4 parts of area space. Okay, according to this, I have 3 levels. So there's an outside to this, and there's the opposite side. There's this side, and then there's this side. So in each one of these, I'm assuming if I run it that way and not towards the center dot or towards the center dot, knowing that the 6th area in the center is the half space. So if I should lie anything on top of this cube, right, it should be lied on the half space. I don't know if I can show it here, the half space here, and the over the half space, right? Each space value, okay, the way I see it, should be 1.5. So if I use the half space value, I would get 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6. My total value would be 6. Okay, this is the way I see it. The way I used to look at it is there are 3 levels. 3 levels. Let me show this again. 3 levels. 6 shows me 3 levels. The calculator shows me 1 number, but it shows me 3 levels. Area space is 10. So each one of these has 3 levels. 3 levels here, 3 levels here, 3 levels here, plus the half a level here and a half a level here equals to 10. Okay, that's 10. I have 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, that's 10. 10 by 10 is 100. 1 cube is now 600. What is the numerological count? Where can I get that 600? This is one scenario to look at. The other scenario to look at is the scenario I just showed you, okay, where there's only 6 area spaces. Each one of these has a value of 2. Every area has a value of 1.5, a part of each other. So 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, plus the 1.5 connect to here, the 1.5 connect to here, the 1.5 connect to here, and the 1.5 to connect to here. That is your 6. Okay, 6 times a face of 9 equals to 54, the number in the sun. Now that is so complicated because I'm not writing it down. We're going to do it another way. Let's just say this is a single cell. The single cell is 3, 6, 9. Every square has a value of 81. 81 times 9 is 729. 729, 729, the gateway to the birth of Venus, win a big red sun of I, 729. 729 divided by, was it 7? 729 divided by 3 equals to 243. That is the vibration. 243 divided by 3 equals to 81 Venus. 81 times 360 equals to 25,920, right? Remember I just showed you 729. 5 and 2 is 729, the Mayan count. Divided by 81, if I got this right, equals to 320. 320 degrees, missing the 40 degrees, 2020. Missing the 2020 degrees. 8 by 40 is that. The 5 that is missing is the insert in the center, separation. This part over here, the final cube. You have 7 cubes, 8 cubes around 1. That's why area space is more than what it is, because the size of the cube. You need these 8 cubes to count for 9. If I have 8 counting for 9, it's 8 and 1/8. It's 1 and 1/8 for each cube, plus area space. So I have to get my thoughts aligned. So we're going to take this back again, and we're going to say this cube, okay, how thick is it? If it's 2 parts thick, 2 parts thick, each one of these making it It's a value of 4, and 4 is 8. Each cube has a value of 8. There's a total of 27 cubes here. That's 160 and 64 is 224. 112 is half the cube. 112 plus 8 is 120. Add 1 to 15, the doorway, spirit in Mars. The difference is separation 14. The inside is 13. That's alternate current. Now, does it make any sense to you right now? I just wrote down the word gland because it goes with the word band, candy, and dandy from before. So did I give you any answers at all to this? Did anything? There's 27 cubes here, but there's 27 area spaces. The center space, the 27th space, is the center, and the center controls all of this cube. The center is what holds on, and the center owns these over here. The center owns 6, the center owns 6 plus 1, which is the area space that holds on to the 6. 1 plus 6. Spirit of the controller of the quarters of the half-lives of pieces and parts. There's 26, which is the dog. Queen. The sky system. You want me to turn the sky? You want me to turn it on the top or the bottom? I'm just thinking here and sharing it. That's what I do. I share my visions. So we have to remember, this has 27 area spaces. 1 to the center makes it 26, and 6 that are connected. That makes it 20. So now that's the reason for 6 times 2, 6 plus 2 is 12 and 8. When we go to 12 and 8, we got a triple corner. We got 4 of them equals to 12. We've got the inside, a double color. A double color, a triple color, 8. 8 and 12 gives me 1 area face, plus 1. 20 plus 1. 20 plus 1. 2, 4, 6, 8 plus 12 plus 1. 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 21. 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 2. 15. 10 and 15, 25. We've now created Earth's cubicle. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I cut up some cards. I'm going to be making a video with just cards and pictures, and then I remembered taking these pictures just like that. I may as well go online and take them from online. It'll be much clearer. But for now, thank you for watching this video.